Hi, I'm Rich with insideHPC. We're here at SC16 in Salt Lake City, and tonight we're at the Intel booth with Bob Wisniewski. Bob, welcome to Salt Lake City.
Hi, thank you, Rich.
Thanks for coming on today. I wanted to ask you a little bit about Intel HPC Orchestrator. Well, let's start at the beginning. What is this thing and who does it help?
Yeah, thanks for the question. So Intel HPC Orchestrator is a complete and comprehensive system software stack that allows you to run your cluster all the way up to your supercomputer. It's based, we talked actually a while ago about OpenHPC. So it is based on OpenHPC, which is an open source version of the stack. And Intel has taken OpenHPC, we've taken it in-house, we've done additional testing and validation, additional hardening, done some scale work, and we are providing it out now as a supported product through our channel partners and OEMs. So this is an opportunity for customers out there who want a supported or who need a supported offering of a software stack to have that capability.
So Bob, can I ask you a little bit about the origins of this one? Why is there a need for this particular product?
Right. So one of the things that you notice if you go out there a year or two ago in HPC across end customers, there's a lot of replicated work. It's actually pretty difficult nowadays to stand up. Software is getting more and more complex in HPC. And it really is pretty difficult to stand up this stack. So what we found was there was a lot of replicated work that was going on across a lot of the different customers, across a lot of the different OEMs. So by putting together this cohesive and comprehensive stack, what it does is it makes a much more efficient marketplace. It allows us to bring the hardware innovations that Intel is so good at delivering to market quicker. It allows us to get them in the hands of the customer more expediently and in a way that's more productive for the customer.
Okay. So I guess my wrap-up question here is, where is this going in terms of workloads? I mean, you stand up this cluster, how does HPC Orchestrator help me out with things like deep learning and some of these things that are really hot right now?
You know, where we started out with Orchestrator was what people would call classical HPC, right? Your standard simulation workloads, and it runs those really well. And we are continuing to drive technologies there, but we've actually started to do some POCs, some proof of concepts around cloud and machine learning. These are obviously very important workloads. And so we have extended some of the capabilities already as proof of concepts. And one of the things we're actually looking for is to form partnerships with interested customers or OEMs who have needs in this space and who can give us input and feedback into the important directions to go. It's a wide open space, as you indicated, with a lot of these capabilities, and where the right steps are to go is a good question. And we start to take some of those with Orchestrator, and we look forward to collaboration and partnerships.